Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 7x20 straight deck utility trailer with 2 side loading ramps. At the front we have our jack coupler and safety chains as well as the breakaway box. This trailer does have corrosion repair paint. There are 2 loading ramps on the driver and passenger front side. These loading ramps are held up with the latch system as well as your safety chains. This trailer has tie-down points at the bottom of the utility portion as well as pressure treated wood flooring. There are 2 5,200-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. There are diamond plate fenders. Coming towards the back of your trailer, this is a straight deck with a heavy-duty loading ramp with arm locks. There are LED brake lights on this trailer, as well as a rear tire mount. We have the front passenger side loading ramp. Once again, this is a 7x20 straight deck with 2 front loading ramps. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.